And we got a beautiful day here in the neighborhood. Hey, hello and welcome to the Man Cave here at Wistful Vistas in beautiful suburban San Diego, California. Now, we're going to do a little bit of unboxing and discovery here this afternoon. Many of you know that I am a fan of GoPro and have used their cameras for quite a bit of time, actually. And there are pros and cons to that. One of the cons has been until quite recently that GoPro did not have a magnetic mount, which their main competitor did. So just recently, I say just recently because I just did a little thing on this, but here's the new GoPro 13. Check it out. And here is their new magnetic mount. And it has the fingers at the bottom of it. And all one does is just put it into the bottom of the camera like that. Dude, you're done. So it works great. I've used it on the e-bike, not on the motorcycle yet, which I will fairly soon, but they've done well. Now, the problem is they forgot all those earlier GoPros, and most of us can't upgrade every time the GoPro releases a camera. Sorry, GoPro, but that's the facts. Now, I have previous GoPros, however, in my own collection, and what do we do and how do we adapt? How do we keep up with the Joneses and get some magnetic mount for our own cameras? Well, we go to this company called Neewer. The aftermarket, it appears, has taken care of us. Neewer, get it? Kind of like the name, sort of a fun name. And here's the box. What comes in the box? First of all, the obligatory manual and warranty statement. And then what's in the box are various types of mounts. Wow. So what we are going to do in this little vlog? Where did that come from? And I'm going to try to get this out here on camera, is that we're going to use them. Now, they have taken care of the problem and put a magnetic mount available for earlier GoPro cameras. Little red mark there, pull that down. It allows one to actually have a quick connect and disconnect to your GoPro for earlier generations. So let's very quickly get into what's in the box. And watch this. Whoa, dude. And let's get into the box and find out what's in there and hook up a GoPro camera to it. What do you say? Come along, join me. Should be a fun afternoon diversion. So in the kit, Neewer gives you 3 mounts, 1, 2, 3. Nice of them. Very reasonably priced, by the way. 2 of them I'm going to describe as being more or less standard. One is set up for a 1/4-20, which is the world's normal universal connection for camera mounts. The other is our good old familiar friend, the GoPro finger mounts. And the last is also a good old familiar friend. It's set up for the slide-in helmet mounts. Nice job, so it'll just slide in. The Neewer configuration, we must admit, adds a little bit of bulk to the system. It does, there's no question about it. But it also provides you with a lot of convenience. Now, the way it mounts is you just pull down on this red tab, turn it 1/4 of a turn, and that allows you to pull past the tabs and free it from the magnet. Now, there's a little 1/4 turn tabs on the inside of that, and we just put that in like that. Give it a 1/4 turn. The red cap snaps into place, and we are done. So this will work on previous generations. Pretty nice. Just so happens that I have a GoPro 12 here. How do I know it's a GoPro 12? Because they put 12 on the side of it. Go figure. And 12 is the generation just before our recently released friend, the GoPro 13. Way to hang in there, GoPro. That's pretty imaginative product labeling and numbering, and they are not superstitious. So maybe if you're going to do any video for Halloween, you use the 13. Anyway, it has the standard tab. You just put the bolt in as you normally would, tighten it down, Then go back to your mating piece, look for those tabs, put them in like that, give them a quarter turn, the red snaps in there, and the camera is mounted. Nice work, Neewer, at a nice product price. At the risk of just a little bit more bulk, we have a magnetic mount system that's fit for just about any previous generation of GoPro. Nice work. There it is, snapped into place. All right, that's the Neewer magnetic mount system for previous generation GoPros. Thank you.